Hey, so I am going to tell you a couple things that you can do to help prevent your pipes from freezing. Where I live right now, it's negative temperatures, so these things are definitely a good idea to do. First, if you have a hose outside, I do not, but if you do, you're going to want to make sure the hose is disconnected and all the water is out of that line. And they have these little foam blocks you can buy at the store to cover the faucet outside. You want to do that, and that will help prevent that pipe from freezing. Also, make sure your house inside is very, very warm. It doesn't have to be hot, but make sure it's warm. I know that might sound silly, but I know a lot of people that have a space heater, and then in the room they're in the most, they have that room really warm, but then the rest of the house is kind of cool, so you don't want to do that. You're gonna want the whole house to be warm. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom right now. What you're going to want to do is open up the cabinet underneath so that warm air can get at the pipes underneath. Excuse the mess. And then you're going to want the water to either drip or a really light stream. I turn on the hot and the cold water. So you're going to want to do that. Also, I am going to open up the cabinet doors underneath my sink. Again, very messy under there. And then for my sink, you just let it drip. Drip or a small stream. And that definitely can help prevent frozen pipes. Share the video.